Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Happy Wednesday, Cast Iron Wednesday today. I haven't shot one of these, feels like a really long time. I can't remember the last time I did one, so. Now this month's Cast Iron Cooking Challenge is Cast Iron Cooking Outdoors, except that I planned horribly. Total fail on my part. So I'm gonna be making what was the title of the video said? Pigs in a Bannock. Except I'm gonna make I've actually got a couple bratwursts which I opened the video with. Bacon cheddar brats. I'm gonna basically brown them in the pan, pop them in the oven. When they come out, then I'm gonna wrap them in Bannock dough, like pigs in a blanket, and put them back in the oven, bake them. Bake the dough, because I want to put the raw bratwurst inside the pan or inside the Bannock dough and then try to cook it. So I'm at least going to brown them, bake them, and then put them in the Bannock, put it back in the oven, finish baking it. I've also got a corn on the cob, and then I'm going to make a salad too, which I'll probably do all that off camera. So let's get to the sausage, the bratwurst, bacon cheddar brats. Yeah. All right. Like I said, I'm just trying to brown these. I'm not really trying to cook them all the way. I mean, I could cook them all the way, but you know, when you cook them like this in the pan, I mean, it's very doable. But it you know, spits and splatters and throws a bunch of grease everywhere. So by doing it this way, I'll get a nice even heat throughout in the oven, and then I'll bring it back when I pop them in. Alrighty, so I'm happy with the color. Kill that burner. In the oven. Alrighty, 15 minutes in the oven and they are very done. So I'm going to get the Bannock mix going and we'll go from there. Alright, so I skipped the actual dough mixing part because I feel like I've shown that plenty. I also have a Bannock playlist. If you're just tuning into the channel, you can go check that out. See how it's done. Basically, it's just a cup of flour, quarter cup milk powder, about a tablespoon or two of flour, or not flour, butter, fat, a little bit of maybe I did need to show it because I'm trying to remember. Funny because I made it without even thinking about it. So I'm gonna cut that in half. Get my big arm in the way. Put these guys right there. These don't have to be perfect, but wow, the dough is sticking. Oh, I had to hit it. Wow, the dough is sticking to the counter. Wow, those look a hot mess. I probably should have kneaded the dough a little bit better, more, so it would not fall apart so easy. Damn. Alright, so I'm going to wipe up the extra grease. Well, that's really hot. Still. I'm just going to wipe up all the extra grease, so it's not going to be baking in a... Yeah, I'm not trying to deep fry these. And there's a lot more oil than I thought there'd be. Okay, got any more paper towels. These are just the blue shop paper towels because they hold up much better. Alright, there we go. Get all the grease out, or a large part of the grease out. And I actually have a tool. I'm hoping these don't fall apart in my hand when I'm trying to hold them, but put these in the pan. Like I said, they look a bit of a mess, but hopefully they'll work out. Get these guys in the oven. These are gonna be in there. 15 minutes at 375, or 20 minutes at 375. Alright, while I'm waiting for the oven, I also made a green salad to go with my dinner. What is going on here? Come on, damn it. There we go. By the way, I highly recommend getting a salad spinner. Gets rid of all the extra water and moisture from your salad. So we got some fresh greens. Just because, you know, should eat more greens. All right, let's check the dogs. Like I said, I only have to cook the shells, so, and yeah, they feel done. And I opened up a new thing of cornstarch, so they or baking powder, so they really poofed up. All right, and while it's still crazy hot, I'll go ahead and just, because you gotta have butter on it. You just got to. I mean, you don't have to drench it in butter, but you definitely gotta put butter on it. Well, I like to drench it a little bit. Unsalted butter, which fell off the thing. That way, while it's rolling around in the butter, that's rapidly melting. Sorry, I had to move the camera to get to get out a little salt. I mean, not too much, but that way the salt will stick to the butter. There you go. Just a little. All right. Man, these guys kind of poofed out a bit, but hey, you know. Ooh, nice color on the bottom. Hell yeah. Well, there you go. All right. Got some French's mustard. Give it a good shake, even though I'm probably still gonna get water out first thing. Let's see. Come on. Nope. Okay. Gotta have a little mustard on it. Even though it's on Bannock, but you know, whatever. Alright. Oh, forgot. Hang on. I almost forgot my green salad along with my bacon ranch dressing. So, there we go. Now it's complete. Alright. So we hop to the star of the video. The pig in the Bannock. Oh, but I had like no dog at all. Can't get past all the bread. Over here. It does taste really good. Mmm. Oh yeah. Mmm. Our broth's really tasty. Bacon cheddar. Hell yeah. Well, I'm gonna go eat my dinner. I'm sure you guys have seen me eat salad and corn on the cob before, so I'll bring you back when I'm done. It's time to go eat dinner. Alright, well, I got a empty plate. It was actually really good. I almost finished all the salad. I just got a little bit left, but stomach couldn't hold anymore. Got full. So anyway, I'll have to really put some thought into next week about something outdoors. Yeah, I just badly planned this week. Plus I hadn't shot one in several weeks either, so I guess I was a slacker. Anyway, thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to check the end cards. They should be probably right here. My last one, and then the playlist for Cast Iron Wednesday. And we'll catch you next one. Have a great day. Enjoy your week. And yeah, see ya.